There we go. Ah! 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 I can't, it's on the roof now. It's on the roof now.
Here goes the camera.
And there goes, it's about to fly away again.
No, yeah,
And it's gonna fly back down here to the thing.
I need to. Oh, where's the squirrel? Oh my god.
I think record, like stand back there, record me and that thing up there.
Oh my god.
Ready? It's really funny as hell. Oh, it's like Jacko.
This isn't like Jackass at all. I can't see you. Hang on. Here, run up there or something. Listen.
There goes your dad.
That's not my dad.
Oh, I looked like it. I thought it was. Oh well.
Are you done? Look at that bird. It's at the top over there.
Don't give me like a pea shooter. I was like, can you zoom in on it more?
I did.
Oh my god, you should. It was so beautiful because it came down off the roof right there. It was like it was flying. It was hovering like this high above the street and kind of floated down.
Can I stop recording?
Huh? No.
Wow.
Get it.
Dan.
I like it.
Make the call noise again.
Ah!